This city is full of hills. I understand what Dad meant now when he said it was uphill both ways.
He built a city on a 45-degree angle.
Bolivians.
Yeah, Bolivians, that's who.
A lot less street traffic here than in Cochabamba. More walking. All the cars you see are taxis and troopies. There goes the bus. I lied. I think the rocks are to hold down the roof.
Probably.
That's my guess. The sun is just going down over the mountains. But it's only about 5:30. I guess because the mountains are so tall.
There's two people walking on the mountain up there.
Oh yeah? You can see them?
Yeah, can you see them?
No.
Yeah.
Where am I going in the right direction?
Yeah. Straight.
There are two rocks there.
I think you're pointing at the right spot. Go down and to the left. More lefter. I see him with my naked eye. Can you see him with your naked eye? Maybe
No.
you're too short